Water, an essential life resource, yet we all take it for granted. Did you know by the end of 2030, half of the global population will be living in water-stressed regions? Hello everybody, this is Nilanjana welcoming you to our in-depth insights on water stewardship. Stick around because this is not just a conversation about the environment, but our planet's survival. Water stewardship and sustainable water management were integral parts of societies thousands of years ago. Quite a mind-blowing fact, isn't it? More than 5,000 years ago, the Mesopotamians created state-of-the-art irrigation canals to regulate flooding and preserve agriculture. To be precise, from the beginning of the Bronze Age, that is during 3200 to 1100 BC, domestic wastewater has continuously been utilized to accommodate irrigation and aquaculture by civilizations formed in Mesopotamia, the Indus Valley, Egypt, Crete, China, and the Orient. From 1000 BC to 330 AD, the Greek and Roman civilizations used the wastewater for fertilization and irrigation. In fact, the large aqueducts built by Romans are still in force. The ancient indigenous cultures treated water as a shared and vital life resource, practicing water conservation through environmental awareness and sacred rituals. However, in the modern era, our relationship with water has taken a drastic shift. With continuous urbanization, industrialization, and climate change, our planet's natural water cycles have been disrupted, jeopardizing the water supply on a global scale. To understand this better, let's explore what exactly water stewardship is in this modern day and age. Water stewardship is a holistic, proactive, and inclusive approach to managing one of the most vital resources of our planet. While traditional water management generally revolves around individual efforts, water stewardship emphasizes the collective responsibility of common people, industries, farmers, and governments to preserve water for the forthcoming generations. Is water stewardship just about using water efficiently? Well, no. It is also about saving water at its origin source, financially aiding infrastructures that purify and recycle water, and sharing accountability for water impacts across entire watersheds. In simple terms, water stewardship is all about showing respect to the environment, the communities that depend on water, and the resource itself. Now the question is, why has water stewardship become an urgent requirement recently? Well, several key factors driving the worldwide water crisis have led to the global call for water stewardship. The first and foremost being climate change. With rising global temperatures, natural water cycles are disrupted, causing intense and longer periods of droughts and disastrous floods, as well as elimination of glaciers, which are the source of drinking water for millions across the globe. Overuse and wastage of water are also significant determinants behind the global need for water stewardship. Agriculture, being the largest consumer of water, also causes significant water wastage, mostly due to inefficient irrigation and poor water management. Similarly, industries, households, and elegant locations such as golf courses and fancy fountains exhibit excessive water use as well as wastage. Pollution comes next. Did you know that over 80% of the world's wastewater returns to the environment untreated? This means tons of plastics, toxic chemicals, and human waste are contributing to rivers, oceans, and overall water pollution, massively affecting communities and all ecosystems. Another notable factor behind water stewardship is groundwater depletion. With the lack of surface water, humans are digging deep into the aquifers, resulting in over-extraction that is draining the underground reserves. It took thousands of years for these reserves to form. Once they vanish, their disappearance is irreversible. At last, urbanization and growing population call out for immediate action. As the cities are expanding at a rapid pace, they are placing immense pressure on the aging water infrastructure that consists of old pipes and water systems. With the global population touching the 10 billion mark by 2050, demand for water could rise by 55%, stressing the already weak water infrastructure. Yes, the challenges are enormous, but so are the solutions. With the right innovation and collaboration, we can revolutionize the way we manage water around the globe.